Hey guys, this is Marco, and I just wanted to put together a quick video on how to perform real-time performance monitoring within IMC on any particular device or variable you want to collect data on. For this example, we'll choose interface bandwidth because commonly you'll know it's a network. If you get a network as slow call, especially over a WAN link, which is fairly common, or a smaller link, you want to make sure the line is not saturated to begin with before you go any further. So we'll get right to it. From the default homepage / dashboard, click on Resource. Click on Performance Management. Click on Real-Time Monitoring. We have to give some default parameters just to make a basic graph. So I'll punch in 1, 2, 3. Then add monitor instance. Index is basically what variable, everything's indexed. What variable do we want to collect data on? There's a ton of stuff in here. VM stuff, wireless, QS. I will click on System Interface Stats, and we'll choose in and out bandwidth. Now, if you know the link isn't saturated, especially in regards to a WAN link, but you're getting slow performance or choppy behavior and things like that, you may want to actually look at the packet loss rate, especially if it's a private line. A lot of the private lines are that 25-year-old T1 backbones in Texas, so they get pretty flaky sometimes. It's also if it's an app like voice over IP, for example, any kind of delay sensitive apps that run over the internet, packet loss is a good one to do right off the bat. But for now, for this example, I'll choose in and out bandwidth. Click OK. Down here, you select the device you want to collect data from. Choose your view. I like device view because it's quick and easy. It's organized. I'll choose the Dallas router, of course, in the Dallas office. Click OK. Now right here, if I click this box right here, this check mark, it will collect data, these variables, for every interface on that router, which is a Cisco 2011 in this case. That particular model we have has a switch module in it and some voice cards. So there are a bunch of interfaces on that, and I do not need to collect data on all those interfaces. So I'll drill down, and I'm going to search for fast Ethernet 0/0 because that is my cable modem 50 megabit connection via Verizon. There's the inbound FA00. Okay, the outbound FA00. Click OK. Click OK again. A graph will pop up. Now, before I go any further, keep in mind it's after 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, and no one is at the Dallas office right now. So there's not anyone accessing the internet. But I will RDP over to a test server I have at the Dallas office and perform a file transfer, and we can watch the graph populate. Okay. Watch as this number gets larger, the graph will increase. It takes a few seconds to catch on, and then we're good. There it goes, right there, 0.53. Now watch it ramp up as that number increases. There's our first spike. Notice it's 0 to 1. Now it shot up as the transfer gets a little stronger. Now we're 0 to 15 with our legend. But as you can see, the graph is working correctly, is populating correctly. Looking pretty good. You can see all the timestamps. Each peak, highlight it, and you see the time and the current value. Real-time performance monitoring. Could have done this. Could have done this with any variable on any device that we know about. There it goes. You're getting 30-second intervals right there if you notice. Okay, so now you see that the procedure is working. Let me go ahead and cancel this for the moment. I want to show you just one or two more things. Other ways to get to the same location that may even be more pleasing to you. Once again, any good application, network management application, usually has several ways to get to the same location. And as you use IMC more and more, you'll find yourself in certain areas of the application more often. So once again, many ways to get to the same location. Let's actually go to, let's see, let's go to the router itself, start from there. I'm sorry, 2801. I had said 2011 earlier. Okay. So in the main device view, there are two things worth looking at here. We have a set of default variables. Actually, I added these earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are default for any device right out of the box. CPU, memory, reachability, response time, all very important. Response time gets high, that means that box is working pretty hard, and you're going to notice some issues usually. So this performance monitor, performance at a glance. Notice when the box populates and pops up, nice little dashboard. This is pretty useful. If you have devices that you know are problematic, or if you've been having a problem with certain devices in specific areas, you may want to customize this little baby dashboard here and put the information you want in there. If I were to click on the gears, you see a little more information there as well. And the point I'm really making here is that you can actually add the same real-time graph we did a minute ago to the performance at a glance dashboard as well. So you could add anything you want here, including the one I showed you earlier, and you can leave it running all the time, and that way you bring up the dashboard for that individual unit and see all probably the most important stuff all at one time. Reachability, response time, whatever variables you want to put in here, you can do that. Just making you aware of that. See, once again, multiple ways to get to the same device. If I click on device real-time monitoring, I'm back to the same look and feel, the same interface you saw in the beginning, and I can add that bandwidth usage to the performance at a glance dashboard for this specific device. Pretty cool, actually. You could also go into the interface list. Okay. And you can do it from here as well. So there's 3 different ways we've shown so far to get to the same location, to pull the same data. It's just what area do you want to see it in. And of course, if you are running any type of monitors, you can see information within the network topology in real time with a left mouse click. So I forget where I have running monitors permanently, but let's see. Left mouse click there shows me the information on tunnel 32. Let's see. I've got it running somewhere. Let's see. Okay, which one did I leave that monitor on? There it goes. So real-time quick snapshot. If I'm in the network topology map, San Antonio router, FA01. This information I'm just having to be collecting right now, just as a quick snapshot. And of course, within the GUI, whole different topic. Within the network topology map, I can also right-click and bring up all kinds of information about the link or the device, etc., so forth. Okay, that does it for now. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.